I need to get a little bit further down. Make sure I get all my, that neckline in the back. Then afterward, I tend to go across the grain. So I go with the grain on the first shave, and I go like sort of across the grain for the second one. And after these passes, I just sort of inspect parts of my head that I probably missed, or just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Let me see. Let's do it up right here. All right, and I'm done. So like I said, this does give a pretty smooth shave. It gives you a nice instant lather that you don't have to mix anything. A nice lather, nice surface to shave against where you don't nick or cut yourself. Then after this, you just put some alcohol on. I just put on, a little green alcohol, or if you do get bumps, which I don't tend to get bumps when I shave my head, I also have thin skin. You can also use witch hazel. That works too. Sometimes I use witch hazel after I shave. Just to sanitize everything. And then you're good to go. So this is Cremo shave cream.